In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert lowercase to uppercase letters in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to change lowercase text into uppercase. This method is quick, beginner-friendly, and especially useful when you want your text to look more consistent without having to retype everything manually. In this example, the sample data is already placed in cells A1 through A5. That means the original text is sitting in column A, and we'll use the next column to generate the uppercase version. Keeping the original text in place is a good idea because it lets you compare the results and avoid changing your source data right away. Now move to cell B1 and type the header uppercase text. This helps label the new column clearly so you know these are the converted results. After that, click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that performs the conversion. Type an equal sign, then type upper, followed by an opening parenthesis, then A2, and finally a closing parenthesis. The formula should reference the text in cell A2 and convert it to all capital letters. Once you've entered the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately return the result in uppercase. For example, if the text in A2 is written in lowercase or mixed case, Excel will display it in all caps in B2. This happens because the upper function is designed to convert every letter in a text string to uppercase automatically. Next, take a moment to view the result in cell B2. You should now see the converted text in capital letters. This is a simple but powerful function, and it's very useful when cleaning up lists, titles, categories, or imported data. To apply the same formula to the rest of your rows, select cell B2 again, then locate the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag that fill handle down to B5. Excel will copy the formula downward and automatically adjust the cell references for each row. As soon as you release the mouse, the remaining entries will be converted to uppercase as well. This saves time and keeps your formatting consistent across the entire list. And that's it. You've successfully converted lowercase text to uppercase in Excel using the upper function. It's a fast and reliable way to clean up text, especially when working with larger data sets.